What if I told you Windows 11 just quietly added brand new features, but you can't even see them yet? I'm talking about Modern Run Dialog, a new startup animation, a screen tint mode, and even smarter Windows update system. And yes, you can enable all of them right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab, a go-to place for latest Windows 11 deep dives. Today we're talking about Windows 11 26H2 experimental build 26300.82 and 9, and I'll show you how to unlock hidden features using ViveTool. And here is the most important part. These features work on experimental channel, formerly Dave, build number 26300.82 and 9 or newer. So first thing you're gonna do is open your browser and search for ViveTool. And here you'll see the ViveTool link from GitHub. Open it, and from there just scroll, and here you'll find 4 assets. If you are using Intel or AMD normal processor, then you're gonna download this one, Intel AMD zip. And if you're using Snapdragon or ARM processor, then you're gonna download this one. So when it's downloaded, close your browser. And now go to this PC, go to downloads, and here you'll find the zip file. Right click on it and select extract all. And now just click on browse, and then go to this PC and C drive, and here you're gonna right click and create a new folder here and put the name of the folder as ViveTool, and then select and extract these things over this folder. Once the extraction process is completed, you can delete the zip file. Now you just again go to this PC and go to C drive, and now select the ViveTool folder and right click, select copy as path, and now you just click on start, search for CMD and run as administrator, click on yes. Now here type cd space and just right click, and here you have to remove these symbols. Now it's done. Commands should be like this, and hit enter. Now you're ready to unlock hidden features. So first things first, you just run this command. The commands will be given in the description. So this command is to activate Modern Run Dialog plus upgrade improvements. Just type in this command, hit enter, and if it shows successfully set features configuration, that means it's done. Now again type this command. This command is to get the new startup or sign out animation. Hit enter. Now again type this command. This command is to enable screen tint feature. Hit enter. And now finally type this command. And this command is to enable new available update section. Hit enter. When everything's done, close it and give your PC a restart. Now after restarting your computer, click on start menu and go to settings, then system, and then go to advanced. And here you see enable the run dialog option. And now close it. And now just simply press Win key plus R. And here is the new run dialog. What do you find new here? Cleaner UI, more compact. It matches Windows 11 design language. It's subtle, but way more modern. Now when you just click on start and just sign out or restart your computer or shut down, you will notice a new circular animation. This finally aligns with Windows 11's Fluent design, and honestly it looks way more smoother than before. Now if you go to settings, then accessibility, and then screen tint option is there. You click it, and this lets you add a color overlay, adjust intensity, create a custom preset, perfect for night usage, reducing eye strain, long editing session. This is basically a next level nightlight feature. Inside Windows Update, you will now see a new available update section. Upgrade group together. Now what's the biggest improvement to the update settings? Your PC installs everything, then restarts only once. Finally, fewer than 9 restarts. So these features are hidden plus experimental. Only works on Windows 11 26H2 experimental channel, build number 26300.82 and 9 or newer. And for this video, credit goes to the Phantom Earth, the Twitter user, for discovering these IDs. So yeah, those are some of the coolest hidden Windows 11 features you can enable right now. If you want more Windows tricks, hidden features, and performance tricks, hit like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.